I can tell we need to talk about things, so I'll let you start. Yes, I'm listening. Oh, I understand that. You need help with what you say? Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy, because the last time that we talked about this, I felt like I was really clear. I gave you everything that you needed to hear, but you're still asking me for more. Right now is how angry I am. What I said before, you're just not listening. You're projecting and you're not listening. You're not listening. No, you're not listening. All right, what do you have to say? I'm listening. You make me feel like I'm losing my mind. I said it, and you're still not understanding. I can do everything that you've been looking for. What else could I do? What else can I give you? What else can I say? What else do you need? I'm going crazy. Yeah, I'm repetitive. I'm saying it over and over and over and over and over and over again. Why should I repeat myself? 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 Why should I repeat myself?
Uratekereza ko dufite hakuranisha cheza ubuzima bwawe. Komara dufite naje na kimwe muzatubona. Mwice. Mutem. Haka mutem. Kandekere. Ubuzima bwawe ushaka kubushyira mu kangaratete nk'ubw'umugabo wawe. Hakuzi ko yapfuye. Ugomba gufunga umunwa wawe. Ubu ni umugabo wawe. Ushaka ubuzima nk'ubwawe. Icumu. Mwice kugira ngo uzabe umugabo.